At one point, the oil got to over 300 degrees, and we spent about 3 or 4 pit stops trying to get the ductwork opened back up. Yeah, that's amazing. That thing's still holding water.
Yeah, dude. Wow.
No.
Yeah, it's the Sawzall, this baby.
Oh yeah. Sawzall, cutting torch. But is it just the nose? The left quarter's good.
Don't matter, they can't use this car next year anyway.
Yeah. No. Almost made it without a scratch. Just for the big bruise on the nose. Big freaking bruise. Ugh.
Yep.
But yeah, we come in and started patching body work, and there was nothing dripping, so.
That's amazing.
Yep.